This is Joe Rogan. Yeah, just working. Swing de Paris, hein? La swing.
Are you feeling today? I can't hear you. How are you feeling? Basil, are you here? Yes, I can meet you. Few shows coming on in the next half an hour. More class and then more jump. And that's at the promenade over there. You still have some master classes, so if you do want to have a little bit of food classes from the chefs, a little bit of art, and also a little bit of dance. This will be before the closing.
Montée, troisième étage.
Là, vous rentrez dans votre déjeuner des canotiers. De Renoir. C'est un pas.
Hier bioscoop.